Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to attach a synthetic hair to your amigurumi dolls. Some of you might like to attach synthetic hair to your doll, especially these days that there are a lot of beautiful styles of synthetic hair in the market. I have instructed the doll before and I pinned the link in the description. You can crochet it, and in this tutorial I'll teach you how to attach the hair to your doll. Okay, when you finished making the head, cut the yarn and leave it there. And finish the head. Then niggle this extra yarn, turn it around the front loops of the stitches. So just leave and the back loops and just work in the front loops. Set the needle here and turn it around the front loops in a spiral. Now don't close this hole. Be sure that the head is filled with fiber and every part of it is filled. Now cut a piece of about 40 centimeters of your synthetic hair and start to sew it in this way. So roll it and sew it at the same time. It is better to use the same color as the hair to sew it and join this part. Okay, do it until the end of this piece of hair. Okay, as you see, I made this piece of hair, and you can fix every part of it. Then put it inside this hole. Okay, be sure that it's completely fixed inside. Okay, and then pull this yarn. Okay. Don't worry if it is cut. So in this way, you attach the hair to it, and then fix this yarn inside the head. You can make sure that it is completely fixed. Sew it in this way. Then make the ears and attach the hair in this way. Don't cut the hair, just attach it to the lower part of the head behind the ears and fix it with the pins, and then use a very thin and fine, use very fine thread, the same color as the hair, and then start to sew the hair to the head. Okay, do it all around the head. Okay, when you finish the first layer, fix the second one on top of the first one. And again, insert the needle here. And stop to sew it. Okay, do it all around the head until you reach here. And then I will show you how to finish it. Okay, if you need to change this thread, you can insert it into the head and fix it inside this way. Okay, then insert your new thread here, a little before the previous one, and again it's got to sew it. Okay, then cut it. And you can use lighter. if the hair is heat resistant, you can iron it, but put a piece of cloth on it and then iron it. But this one is not heat resistant, so I don't iron it. Some of them are heat resistant and it is written on it. Okay, this is how your doll looks by using synthetic hair. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.